Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to leave a blank comment on Facebook. Let me first show you that I can in fact leave a blank comment on Facebook from an Android device. We'll go to a post at random, click on comments, press and hold, press paste, and then press send. There's my blank comment. I am Shane Stephen Smith, and we can even like this blank comment, which is kind of funny. So there you have it. There's a blank comment that you can post on Facebook from an Android device. Now, when I was looking online on how to post a blank comment, I found that most of the methods did not work on an Android device. You know the methods I'm talking about. There was one method where you turn on your microphone, let it record nothing for an extended period of time, turn off your microphone, and then send that blank recording as a blank comment. Unfortunately, this does not work on an Android device. There was also a method that mentioned copying the space between two brackets and then pasting that space into the comments section. That also does not work on an Android device. Here has what worked for me. Go ahead and click on the link in the description. That's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Don't worry, no viruses or anything weird. Just a page discussing what a zero-width joiner is. A zero-width joiner, or a zwidge, is basically an invisible character that you can text people, or an invisible emoji. All you have to do is click on copy. It'll say copied when you've appropriately copied it. Go back to Facebook. You can go to any post that you like, click on comments, press and hold, press paste, then press send. Here is my second blank comment in a row, and of course we can like it just to verify that it is in fact a real comment. I hope this video helped you out on how to leave a blank comment on Facebook. If it did, annihilate that like button for me and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks again for watching. Take care.